How to install UHF sticker correctly.
As there is antenna inside UHF sticker, some precaution need to be taken. Do not press on the black dot. It's very sensitive. Do not bend the UHF sticker. Do not attempt to remove the sticker once it applied. You are very likely compromise the antenna. UHF sticker is not suggested to be stick on the windscreen, because tinted film on the windscreen contain metal element inside it, which will affect the reading range.
Where it should be installed.
Here are the best position on your car to get the optimum reading range. First best position is on the side mirror. It is very important to understand tag installation for better performance. UHF sticker is designed to be mounted in horizontal position. It is also very important not to stick your UHF sticker on or near to a metal materials, especially if your side mirror are chrome plated. Second option for the best position is on the headlamp. Please make sure it is 5 cm or more away from the car body to headlamp. Third option. The sticker can be placed on the number plate. You are required to adjust the position before permanently stick it. Again, it is very important not to stick your UHF sticker on or near to a metal materials, especially if your car plate number have an extra accessories.